Dreo Countertop Reverse Osmosis water filter is SGS tested to reduce heavy metals, bacteria, and fluoride. It comes with an autofill pitcher and smart digital TDS display, but offers a mostly plastic build. So in this video, we'll analyze the Dreo countertop on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage to find out if it's actually worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, let's talk about contaminant removal. The Dreo Countertop RO uses a 3-stage filtration system to reduce all harmful TDS. The first stage is PP cotton sediment and activated carbon filter, which removes sediment, visible dirt, and chlorine. Then comes the RO membrane, which reduces heavy metals and fluoride. Finally, there's the optional post-carbon filter to remove VOCs and enhance taste. The system is SGS tested against NSF42 for chlorine reduction and NSF58 for RO performance and TDS reduction. This is proven in independent testing, where the system significantly reduces TDS post-filtration and effectively reduces chlorine taste and smell. However, the system is designed for municipal tap water only and not untreated well water. If your source water has high hardness, you may need descaling every 3 months. Next up, let's analyze water flow rate and design. The Dreo 511 countertop has an official flow rate of around 0.09 to 0.1 gallons per minute and takes under 5 minutes to fill the 0.4-gallon pitcher. This is faster than competitors like Blue Vua. The system comes with a 170-ounce raw water tank and is made from sturdy, food-safe plastic. One useful feature is the auto refill function, where the pitcher automatically refills itself when placed back on the base. Dreo also claims a decent 3:1 pure-to-drain ratio, and the system recycles wastewater to improve efficiency. Size-wise, the unit is relatively compact for most kitchen countertops. However, the system requires frequent refilling for regular use and can feel awkward to remove from the back. There are also a few reports of leaking issues, although customer support usually resolves them quickly. Now let's talk about ease of installation. Setting up the Dreo Countertop RO is pretty straightforward since there's no plumbing, drilling, or drain line required. You simply place the raw water tank in position, plug the system into an electric outlet, and let it auto-flush during the first setup. The manual recommends discarding the first 2 batches of filtered water until the water becomes clear. The system also comes with a digital display that shows raw and purified water TDS levels along with filter life indicators, making it easier to monitor water quality and filter replacements. With that, let's head over to ease of maintenance. The PPC and post-carbon filters need replacement every 6 months, while the RO filter lasts around 24 months. Total annual filter replacement cost is about $144, which is comparable to Blue Vua, but expensive than AquaTrue. Filter replacements itself is simple and tool-free, but you have to rinse the pitcher and raw water tank weekly to keep the system clean, and the components are not dishwasher safe. Finally, let's talk about warranty and customer support. Dreo offers a standard 1-year warranty for the countertop RO system. Customer support experiences are generally decent. The company responds quickly and offers replacements for faulty units if needed. With all said and done, here's our key takeaway. Despite its mostly plastic design, the Dreo Countertop RO is a decent option for reducing common city water contaminants like chlorine and heavy metals. Its digital display is intuitive and replacement costs are reasonable. But if you're looking for effective glass water filter pitchers, check out this video next.